It was 1832. Deep in the frozen wilderness of the Himalayas, British official B.H. Hodgson led an expedition into the remote, snow-clad mountains of northern Nepal. For days, the team had been trekking through treacherous terrain when, suddenly, local guides froze in terror. Before them stood a towering figure, covered in dark, matted hair, standing upright like a man, but with the unmistakable gait of an animal. The creature emitted a low, guttural growl before disappearing into the thick mist. Hodgson dismissed it as an orangutan, but the guides were convinced. They had just encountered the Yeti, the fabled abominable snowman. Was this an encounter with a creature unknown to science, or simply a misidentified animal? Such stories are not rare in these mountains, where the line between myth and reality often blurs. To understand the origins of the Yeti, we must look back to the ancient cultures that first spoke of this enigmatic being. The legend of the Yeti is rooted in the pre-Buddhist traditions of the Himalayas. For the Lepcha people, the Yeti was not just a creature, it was a divine being, a glacier god, revered for its connection to the natural world. In the Bon religion, it took on a darker form as the me god, or wild man, whose blood was thought to hold sacred power. In Tibetan Buddhism, the Yeti is both feared and respected. Stories tell of Yetis assisting spiritual leaders, even attaining enlightenment. Some Himalayan communities still honor the Yeti as a guardian against malevolent forces, while others see its appearance as an ill omen, a reminder of the thin veil between life and death. But while the spiritual significance of the Yeti is deeply woven into Himalayan culture, tales of physical sightings have added another layer to its enduring mystique. Encounters with the Yeti have been reported for centuries. These stories, passed down through generations, have captivated explorations and fueled countless expeditions. In the 19th century, tales of the Yeti began reaching the Western world. Lawrence Waddell, an explorer in the late 1800s, discovered massive footprints in the Himalayan snow. Local villagers attributed them to the Yeti, but Waddell dismissed the possibility, claiming they were likely made by a bear. Yet the footprints themselves, oddly human-like, left a lingering question. By the 1950s, the world's fascination with the Yeti reached new heights. In 1951, Eric Shipton captured a photograph of a large footprint on the slopes of Mount Everest. The photo, showing distinct toes and a heel, sparked global curiosity and inspired a wave of Yeti hunting expeditions. Even Sir Edmund Hillary, the first man to summit Everest, joined the search. But while footprints and fur samples were collected, definitive proof remained elusive. In the 21st century, sightings became rarer but no less intriguing. In 2007, television presenter Joshua Gate claimed to have found a series of massive footprints near Everest. Measuring 33 centimeters, the prints were unlike anything seen before. A forensic analysis revealed an unusual DNA sequence in hair samples collected nearby, further deepening the mystery. Despite modern tools and techniques, the Yeti continues to evade confirmation. What is the truth behind these sightings? Modern science has attempted to solve the riddle of the Yeti, with researchers analyzing physical evidence from alleged sightings. The results have been fascinating and controversial. In 2013, a groundbreaking study revealed that hair samples attributed to the Yeti matched the DNA of an ancient polar bear. The findings suggested the possibility of a hybrid species, perhaps a relic from a time when humans and animals shared the frozen tundras. And there was no doubt evidence. However, subsequent research debunked this theory, identifying the samples as belonging to Himalayan brown bears and Asian black bears. A 2017 study reinforced this conclusion, attributing most Yeti evidence to local bear species. Yet, for all the scientific scrutiny, the mystery endures. Could there still be an undiscovered species hiding in the Himalayas? Or is the Yeti a product of human imagination, a symbol of our fascination with the unknown? Whether real or imagined, the Yeti has left an indelible mark on global culture. It is a symbol of the unexplored, the mysterious, and the untamed. The Yeti stands at the crossroads of myth and reality, a creature that invites us to question the boundaries of our knowledge. Is it a guardian spirit, a misidentified animal, or something yet to be discovered? One thing is certain: the Yeti embodies our enduring fascination with the unknown. What do you believe? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey into the mysterious, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.